In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a navigation bar in Base44. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional top navigation generated for you with the right links wired up across your app. Start by opening your browser and heading to app.base44. This is the main workspace where you can build and manage your interfaces. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct workspace so everything you create lands in the right place. Once you're in, you'll see your available apps. Click on an app you want to navigate. This choice matters because the navigation bar you build will be tied to this specific app and its pages. Now, start with a clear prompt. Think of the prompt as your blueprint. The more specific you are about structure and labels, the better the result. For a standard layout that users recognize immediately, use a straightforward instruction that covers placement, content, and wording. For example, create a top navigation bar with logo on the left and links to home, shop page, new arrivals, men, women, about page. This tells the AI exactly where to position the logo and which links to include in the order you've given. Keep the link names simple and consistent and write them precisely as you want them to appear in the UI. After you submit your prompt, the AI will generate the UI for you automatically, including the navigation bar and the links between pages. Behind the scenes, it places the navigation at the top, reserves space for your logo on the left, and sets up each link so that clicking it takes users where they expect to go inside your app. This helps establish a familiar and reliable pattern for your users, a clear brand anchor on the left, and quick access to key destinations across the top. If you ever want to refine wording, reorder links, or adjust which pages appear, you can do that by updating your prompt in the same style. Clear language like move the logo to the left, add a link to the shop page, or rename about page to about makes it easy for the AI to understand what you want. The goal is to keep your instructions concise, direct, and unambiguous so the system can translate them into an accurate layout. That's all it takes to build a navigation bar in Base44 using a single, well-structured prompt. Thanks for watching.